Are App Store payment issues stopping you from downloading that must-have app? Let's fix it. First, let's dive into your Apple ID payment information. Head over to your iPhone or iPad settings, tap your name at the very top, then tap Payment and Shipping. Double-check that your credit or debit card number, expiration date, and security code are entered correctly. Even a small typo can cause a problem. Next, ensure your billing address is accurate. This must perfectly match the address your bank or card issuer has on file. If you've recently moved, make sure to update it here in that same Payment and Shipping section. Tap your billing address and make any necessary corrections. If your information seems correct, it's time to contact your bank or card issuer. Sometimes they might flag a transaction as suspicious, or there might be a temporary hold on your account. A quick call to them can often resolve these issues swiftly. Still stuck? Reach out to Apple support. They have specialized tools to help pinpoint and resolve more complex payment problems. You can usually find them through the support section on the Apple website or within the Apple support app on your device. They're there to guide you through the final steps. With these steps, you should be able to get your payment issues sorted and get back to enjoying all the amazing apps the App Store has to offer. Happy downloading!